The challenge of these ADAS test systems is not having an HiL, not having these target simulators, but having it all in one system. So in the past we had the solution that we recorded scenarios and scenes on the street and played these scenes back to the ECU and to the software and test these software. But this stucks in the moment where we have the first hazardous effect. So in case we brake, we have a brake effect on an ECU, we can play it back to exactly that scenario where we expect a brake, and then we see that brake. But we cannot drive further on because now we have a brake, we have to start again, and we cannot change the scenarios. So ADAS IIT took this special challenge and discussed and thought about how can we help our customers solving this problem. And one thing is we need to have that closed loop scenario. We need to have that closed loop modeling, enabling our customers to integrate sensor fusion ECUs in an environment where we can drive a virtual road in the lab. And that is the big thing, the difference between the market and ADAS IIT. One is the power of ADAS IIT with over 300 engineers now working on that particular problem with all these 4 companies. And the other thing is understanding that a playback scenario is not enough anymore on the way to autonomous driving. Autonomous driving requires millions of miles of test driving, and test drives on the road is extremely expensive. So with our ADAS IIT solution, with the ADAS HiL and all these target simulators like the radar simulator, like the LiDAR simulator, like the camera simulation, as well as other infrastructure like V2X communication and all these playing together in a very, very smooth way, we are able to drive cars in this environment with not a single mile on the road. And I think from my perspective, that is the big difference and benefit of the ADAS IIT. The other one is having a big player like National Instruments on board, having these guys which are very, very addicted to RF simulation, to signal conditioning, to processing power, to RT and real-time test environment. This is another big benefit. So integrating this environment like VeriStand, having partners like IPG, CarMaker, and integrating other models into these environments is a big step forward, what we're not seeing on the market today, and we are very, very satisfied that we will unbelievably successful with that approach.